Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch markers effectively. We will begin by understanding the fundamental characteristics of these popular art tools. Sketch markers are known for their brilliant, saturated colors and their ability to create smooth, even washes. They are widely used by artists and designers for a variety of projects, from quick concept sketches to detailed illustrations, offering a unique blend of speed and precision in your creative process. Next, let's explore some essential techniques to elevate your marker art. Blending is crucial. Try using a colorless blender or a lighter shade to soften edges and create smooth transitions between colors. Layering allows you to build intensity and depth, transforming flat colors into rich, dimensional tones. Remember to work swiftly when blending to achieve the most seamless results, especially when creating beautiful gradients across your artwork. Choosing the right markers is key to your artistic journey. Consider markers with dual tips, often featuring a broad chisel nib for large areas and a fine point or brush nib for intricate details. Alcohol-based markers are popular for their smooth application and excellent blending capabilities, drying quickly to prevent smudging. A good starting point is a set of 12 to 24 colors, offering a versatile palette for many projects. Finally, proper care ensures your sketch markers last for many years. Always recap your markers tightly after each use to prevent the ink from drying out, which is a common issue. Storing them horizontally helps maintain an even flow of ink to both nibs, ensuring consistent performance. Many professional-grade markers are also refillable, allowing you to replace ink and even nibs, making them a sustainable and long-term investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.